What is going on, guys? So I apologize for the mic quality, but I'm on my laptop right now. And if you ever run into this error, this disk is write protected when you're trying to format your SD card. I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video. So a lot of the times, what happens with this issue is that there's a switch on the SD card, and most micro SDs, or I'm not sure about most, but I've seen a lot of micro SDs that don't have a switch. But when you put them into an adapter that makes it the size of a regular SD card, the adapter has a switch on it that says lock, and if you switch lock on, basically it does not allow any writing on the disk. So it does not allow you to change any files, doesn't allow you to add any files or remove any files. That's what's considered writing. Reading is only viewing the files, so it only allow you to view what's on the disk but not actually change what's on it if you flip that lock switch. So really quick, let's just try and fix this issue by taking the SD card out of the computer. And how to do that safely: open your file explorer. So let's do start, type file explorer, open it up, and then scroll down to this PC, and then you'll see the SD card here, and we can just click checked. So now it's safe to remove. I'm going to pop it out, and I have a micro SD plugged into an SD card adapter, and the adapter has the lock switch on. So I'm going to turn the lock switch off, and we won't see that error anymore. And also, a lot of just regular SD cards I've seen have this switch too. So it's a cool feature. I didn't know that's how it worked, and it causes this to happen, but that's basically how it works. So I flipped the switch to say lock is off now. So I'm going to put the SD card back in my computer here. See, it just popped back up. And now I'm going to try to format it one more time. So if I do this, click start, yes, format complete. It allows writing to the disk now. So it allows writing to the SD card. Because formatting the SD card, it clears absolutely everything, and it also alters the way it stores files. So that's considered writing to the disk. Just wanted to explain that real quick, but that's pretty much it, guys. If you still run into issues, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to respond to them and find solutions for you, but hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.